Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the device supports the carrier's 5G bands and has the latest firmware. This matters because unsupported bands won't connect even if signal shows. Next, back up APN and network mode settings so you can revert. Once done, enable developer options or advanced network menus to reveal band selection and preferred network types. You will now be ready to select NR bands or switch between NSA and SA modes. These initial steps shorten trial and error later. You now change specific network parameters. Open advanced mobile network settings and set preferred network to 5G/NR, or pick the exact NR bands your carrier uses. Make sure VO NR or Voice over NR is enabled if available, and adjust LTE fallback behavior so voice calls don't force unwanted band changes. If APN or provisioning prevents 5G, update APN values or perform a carrier SIM provisioning. Sometimes a SIM swap from the carrier is required. You finish by rebooting and verifying 5G signal and IP type. Run a speed test and a band checking app to confirm NR attachment. If 5G still fails, reset APN or network settings to the backed up values, then retry. This often clears provisioning conflicts. As a troubleshooting tip, if issues persist, record model, IMEI, SIM provisioning status, and logs, then contact the carrier. Providing those details lets them check provisioning or remote enable specific 5G services quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.